Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a sway shoulder spin. You need to know how to do a sway already, so link to the teaching clip for the sway in the description below, and that's the only prerequisite you need. Not every move suits every dancer. This isn't a move I tend to use, but it's not my job to tell you which ones to move, which moves to use. So I'll teach you it, but I will talk about why I don't use it afterwards. So we go 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so let's break it down. It starts like a standard sway. We go back in the right, we wrap in. As we sway the lady back, everyone steps back on the right, the guys come around with that left hand and pick up the far shoulder. As we bring the lady forwards, we use that hand on the shoulder to lead the lady into a return spin. We catch left to right, lower and back. Let's do that again from the other side, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back, 1, wrap, 2, sway and pick up the shoulder, 3, spinning past, 4 and catching, 5. Now the only word of warning I would give at this point is the path to pick up the far shoulder. As you sway the lady back, make sure you come out, around and reach for the shoulder. Anytime you come through as opposed to coming out and around, you run the risk of, one, feeling quite invasive from the lady's chest point of view, but also I've seen people try and reach for the shoulder and end up clipping the lady because she's turned her head when the guy wasn't expecting it. So out and around is the safe route. So let's try it nice and slow. Here we go. 5, 6, a sway, shoulder spin. You go a back, wrap, sway, spin, and catch. Okay, so you've got the move under your belt. Why don't I use it? Very simple. There are multiple ways of leading spins. So for instance, the first move variation of this has exactly the same result as the push behind variation. So you could lead a spin a different way, but this particular version, completely legitimate, completely usual move. I've seen it used all over the place, but I'm not a fan of this kind of reaching across the lady's throat, and I know a number of ladies aren't massive fans of it either. I know other people who love this move, yeah, but for me, I don't have to do it like that. I could always lead the spin another way. Okay, so that's the only reason I leave it alone. It just doesn't suit my style. It might suit yours. Okay, so thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Subscribing helps promote the channel, so big thank you to everyone who does that, and I'll pop a music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to. We'll see you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.